Good morning everyone. I am Tanushri Dolai from Civil Engineering branch, and today we will discuss about the rolled steel section. And in the previous class we have already discussed about some rolled steel sections, and today we will discuss about other rolled steel sections. So in the previous class I have told you about the I sections and types of I sections, channel sections. Okay, the channel sections, these are 4 types. Then the rolled steel angle sections. Then today we will discuss about the T sections. The T section is 5 types, which is ISNT, ISHT, ISST, ISLT and ISJT, as I told you in before. So in the next, steel bars, rolled steel bars. So these are 2 types. One is square bars and second one is your round bars. So let's come to the today's class. So today class start with the rolled steel tubes. So first of all is the rolled steel sections are designated their normal base size. In each size there are 3 classes, namely light steel tubes, medium steel tube, heavy steel tube. So the difference is due to difference in their thickness. Hence their cross-sectional properties are also different. For example, if we take a steel tube of 4 mm, that means the 4 mm steel tube base size is subdivided into 3 types of classes, which is based on the thickness, like 2.90 mm, 3.25 mm and 4.05 mm. So as like this, all the base size subdivided into 3 types of classes, and the 3 types of classes are different from each of the classes. So next one is your rolled steel plates. Okay, so rolled steel plates are well used items in steel structures. They are used for connecting steel beams, tensional member in roof truss, etc. They are designated with their thickness, which is varying from 5 mm to 50 mm. So the rolled steel plates are available in 2 categories. These are as per thickness and as well as its width. So the thickness are available in 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, 16, 18, 20, 22 up to 80 mm. Okay, so now the width are available like 160 mm, 180 mm, 200 mm, 220 mm, 250 mm, 280 mm up to 2500 mm. And the steel plates are designated as ISPL. Okay, Indian Standard Plate Section. Okay, the plate is designated as PL, followed by length, width and thickness. One example of the ISPL 2000 mm into 1000 mm into 6 mm. That means the 2000 mm indicate the length, the 1000 mm indicate the width and 6 mm is indicate the thickness of the steel plate section. The next is your rolled steel strips. So the rolled steel strips are designated as ISST, that means Indian Standard Strip Section, followed by width and thickness. So these sections are available in the following width and thickness. So these are available in the width like 100, 110 mm, 125 mm, 140 mm, 160 mm, 180 mm, 200 mm up to 1000 mm, and the thickness of the strip sections are available as 0.8 mm, 0.9 mm, 1 mm, 1.1 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.0 and 2.2 mm. So then next is your rolled steel flat section. So the flats are differ from the strip. These are not same. Strips are another thing and flats are another thing. And these two sections are application of these two section also different. Okay. So in the flat section, the thickness of the flat is 5 mm onwards and their width is limited. Flats of the following width and thickness are available in, the width is like 12, 16, 20, 25, 32, 40, 50, 63, 80, 100, 120, 160, 200 and 250 mm. And the thickness of the flat steel roll section are available in 5 mm, 5.5 mm, 6, 7, 8 up to 25 mm. Okay. So they are designated by width followed by letter ISF, that means Indian Standard Flat Section, and the thickness is like 80 ISF 10, that means 80 indicate the width of the Indian Standard Flat and 10 indicate the thickness of the rolled steel flat. So these are the figure of the all the rolled steel I section. Like this is the I sections. You will see that here it is the web section and these are the two flange of the I section. Then this is the channel section because it is C types and curve type section. So this is known as your channel section. These are the angle section because here two legs are there. So these are the angle sections. Then this is T-shape section. So you can easily identify the T sections. Then this is the plate sections. Okay. And this is the bar section, round bar. Okay. Then this is the tube section and these are the strip section and these are your flats. Okay. So these are all about your rolled steel section. So comes to the advantages and disadvantages of the steel structure. Everything that have some advantages as well as some disadvantages also. So first one is your steel is tensile. Okay, steel is tension. So it has a high strength to weight ratio, which means it has high strength per unit mass. So no matter how large the overall structure is, the steel section will be small and lightweight, unlike other building material. Okay, as compared to other kinds of material, steel structure has small and lightweight. So which is beneficial of any kind of structural design. So next one is your steel can be easily fabricated and produced massively. Steel sections can be produced offside at shop floors and then assembled on site. This saves time and increases the efficiency of the overall construction process. As I told before, these steel sections are easily available in the mill. So for the transportation method, there is no time consuming in this kind of steel structure, okay, as compared to other things. So it can be easily available, easily connected and easily make it a suitable structure. So that this is a very good advantages of the steel structure. And then steel structure is very flexible. You can mold it into any shape without changing its properties. You can convert it into sheets or turn it into wires as per the design. So this is also a beneficial for the steel structure. So today this much. We will discuss other advantages and disadvantages in the next class. So I hope you understood well. Thank you so much.